This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the video recording frame rate while in the manual flight mode on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the HOVERAir X1 mobile app on your smartphone and, well, make sure that the drone is connected to it. Next, select the hover section at the bottom, go into the Smart Preview. Here, make sure that the video shooting mode is selected, not photo. Then launch Settings, open the Shooting Settings section, and here you will be able to select the desired frame rate and set it at 24, 25, 30, 50, or 60 frames per second. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.